Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Ram 3500 Tradesman. This has the Cummins turbo diesel, which is a 6.7 liter inline 6, 35,000 miles on this one, and it is in mint condition. Nice back seat area. Automatic windows. Coin holder. Pretty cool. I'm in luck today with the used cars, finding all this stuff. Alright, so optional equipment on this. The cold weather group, which is the engine block heater and a winter front grille cover. Snow Chief group, which is your auxiliary power switches and stuff like that. And upgraded alternator. Fifth wheel prep. Popular equipment group, which is the Sirius XM, cloth seats, the carpeted floor, and the 6-speed. The electric transfer case is another option, and the turbo diesel is the most expensive option on here at just shy of $10,000. Other than that, pretty well equipped truck. Once this folds. There we go. You do have a backup camera. It appears right there in the mirror. Without further ado, let's take this on the road. You can hear I have the exhaust brake active. Really, this is a big truck. 3500 is the top of the normal Ram pickup trucks. You do have 45 and 5500 for your commercial stuff, but this is pretty much the Mac Daddy, the big truck, especially with the Cummins turbo diesel. This was in its heyday the big heavy duty truck. You do have your manual shifting capabilities, which works great in partnership with the exhaust brake, because you can downshift and let the engine braking work for itself. So I did not touch the brakes there. You also have an automatic exhaust brake mode, so when it senses you're going down a hill and would like some more braking, it activates until you touch the brake pedal. I can try that here. So just cruising around town, it won't activate. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Also have tow haul mode. Changes transmission tuning and prepares the truck to tow heavy trailers and stuff like that. The amount of torque this thing has is absolutely astonishing. Actually, I was mistaken about the automatic brake. I was thinking about the full braking. So this, it's only when you start touching the brakes that it works. Up to a certain point, then it turns over to full, just normal braking. See there, using the exhaust brake to help slow us down. I do love the brake pedal feel. You have to really apply a lot of pressure to stop, which I love. It gives you a lot of confidence in these brakes. It's a very brake pressure type system, meaning that when you push down on the pedal, unless you go full force, you are not going to find the bottom of the pedal travel, which is great because I hate when I have to slam on the brakes and the pedal goes to the floor. This, I just apply as much pressure as I need, and the pressure is related to braking force, not amount of pedal movement. That is how brakes should be. Over these bumps. Not bad at all. overall handling for being a big truck, it's very easy to drive. I'm able to get right in and drive it normally. It's actually easier to drive than the Subaru Ascent. Also, don't forget that we're in the suburbs, so everything's very spread out compared to Quincy. If I was driving this in Quincy, I'd be kind of scared a lot of it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.